Baby, come, let's play. Yes. So today we are going to show you few games that you can play at your home. Shall we start?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. The first game is jump, 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 jump. Very good. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Very good. Now come on. Touch your toes. Very good. Touch your head. Now turn around. Turn around. Well done. Stop. Freeze. Touch your belly. Touch your knees. Touch your eyes. Very good. Now clap your hands. Touch the sky. Very good. Spin around. Freeze like a statue. Very good. Now let's hop on our leg. Come on. Start. Hop, 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 hop. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Very good. Superb. Hop, hop, hop. This hopping also will increase the balancing skills of a child tremendously. Not only the body but also... Hey baby, come here. Not only the body but also the brain. Okay? Slowly. You have to hop slowly. Come on, start. Slowly. Yes. Very good. Good. Yes. Good job. Hop, 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 hop. Wow. Well done. Superb. So you have to encourage your kids. You have to encourage your kids to get things done. You should not be in a hurry. And everything has to happen only in a playful way. There are so many games that you can play along with your child, but just that you should have time to do that. So now let's play the game color color. Okay, baby?
Okay, mommy.
Okay, come stand here.
No.
Color color.
Color.
Which color
Which color
do you want?
do you want?
Yes, I want
Yes, I want.
green color. Go find out where is green color. Very good. Color color. Which color
Which color
do you want?
do you want?
Yes, I want
Yes, I want.
pink color.
Bunny.
Very good. Your lips are pink in color and your dress is pink in color. What is there on your t-shirt, baby?
Horse.
Horse. Oh wow. Horse says. Okay. Once jump like a horse. I would like to see how do you jump like a horse. Now let's play another game.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we play musical chairs?
Yes.
Done.
Then.
Good. Stand up. So you can also play a musical chairs game along with your kids. Okay. Run, 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 run. Stop. Now two chairs. Okay. Wait. Okay. Fine. Start. Run, 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 run. Stop. Very good. Now one chair. Which one? Which color do you want? This one? Okay, fine. Good. Run, 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 run. Stop. Oh! Very good. So this is how you can engage them for long hours as well. Now I'll show you another game which you can play with your kids at home. Ring, 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 ring. Freeze! Out, out, out. One more time. Come. Ring, 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 ring. Freeze! Okay, come once again. Ring, 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 ring. Okay, fine. You have to say ring, ring for me. Okay, fine. One more time. Say.
Run, 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 free.
Okay, fine. So these are few games which you can play along with your kids. I'll show you still more games, okay? Today. Come baby, stand here. So this is one more traditional game which you all know. You can actually play it with your kids. They will really love this hide and seek game. Okay. Now, come on, baby. Ray out.
Your mommy.
Now me.
Yes.
Okay. Come. I'll tie it to me. Okay. Nakshi baby, where are you? Out. Very good.
No, it's my turn.
Now it's your turn. Okay, fine, come. They will play this game any number of times because this will always and always be their favorite game to play. There are actually so many games that you can play along with your young one. Again, I'm saying it to you. You just have to have some good time for themselves. Okay? Come on. Out again. Very good. So, this is one game the kids will really like to play any number of times. And one more game. So if you have a young one at home, you must definitely be having a ball at your home as well. So let's practice catches, okay?
Okay.
Fine, stand here. Come, catch. Wow, superb. Yes. Wow. Very good. Yes, good job. Very good. Okay, fine. So if the child is able to do this easily, then you'll have to make it a bit more complicated. Ask them to stay them a little bit far. Stand there, baby. Go a little bit far away. Very good. Now try and hold it. Wow. Good. Superb. You have to keep encouraging your kids for every small thing they do. Baby, come. Wow. Very good. Superb. Yes. So for your child to do this, they should have an eye-hand coordination. Wow, superb. Keep it up. Very good. Yes. Yes, good. So now I'll show you another game which you can play with the help of the ball. Throw the ball up and hold it again. Oh, no problem. Try it one more time. You should not throw it really very high, just like this.
Okay.
Okay? Very good. Little bit up. One more time. Wow. Yes. Very good. This activity will increase the concentration level of the child and the stability in a child. Step up. Very good. And sit down. And do tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick. Very good. Now stand up once again. Now roll the ball around your body like this. Very good, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Good job. Oh, no problem. Try it one more time. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yes, yes. Well done. You got that right. Very good. Slowly. Yes, super. One more time. Good. Super. So this activity will increase lots and lots of stability in your young one. Balancing skills also will increase and concentration skills also will increase with the help of this one ball game. Very good, baby. Superb. Putting the ball in between the legs. Very good. Very good. Walk, walk, walk. Good, good. Good job. Don't forget. Oh my God. Do not forget to encourage the child for each and every single attempt. You can also play small games like Ringa Ringa Roses along with them. Come on, sing. Ringa Ringa Roses, pocket full of poses. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. One more time. Kids really like if you spend time with them. The only concern why the kids of this age group are getting addicted to the gadgets is because we parents are not spending quality time along with the kids. You try and spend some time with them and they'll always be yours. They will definitely not. We all fall down. They just want you to spend your time with them. They would be really very happy to engage along with you because as parents you are going to be their best friend first and then anybody else in the world. So make the most of their childhood and give them lots and lots of memories because these days won't come back again. Spend some time with your young ones and make their childhood a memorable one. Bye everybody, say.
Bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
Bye everybody.